Hello friends, welcome to Free Chess Videos for All. So today we are going to learn a new variation in the English opening. So the game that I prepared for you, the game was played between world champion Magnus Carlsen and very talented Levon Aronian. So let's dive into the game. So Magnus started the game with c4, now e5, knight c3, knight f6, knight f3, knight c6. So this is called the two knights variation in English opening. So now d3 from white, d5 from black. So here instead of d5 you can play h6 also. It is also a good move. So anyhow after d5 c takes d5, knight takes d5, now e4. So here Levon played knight b6, but I just want to show you one more line. So here you can take the c3 knight. After that b takes c3, bishop c5, bishop e2, castle from black, castle from white, queen e7, rook b1, rook d8. So from here the game can continue. So you can study a bit. So I just wanted to show you the different line after knight takes c3. Okay, let's go back to the e4 move. So here knight goes to b6. So after knight b6, bishop e2. So these are all normal moves. Bishop e7, bishop e3, castle from black, castle from white, bishop e6. So now a4. So the plan is to remove the knight from b6 square. So now a6, a5, knight goes to d7. Now d4, pawn takes d4, knight takes d4, knight takes d4, bishop takes d4. Now knight c5. So bishop came back to e3, queen takes d1, rook f takes d1. Now rook f d8. So here I just want to show you one more thing. After rook takes d1 you can play c6 also, because you want to stop the knight to come to d5 square. Okay, so after c6 white may play b4, knight goes to b3 attacking the a1 rook, rook comes to b1. Now rook a d8, f4, so that you can remove the bishop from the e6 square. So to stop that, f6. Now knight comes to a2, rook f e8. Now knight c1, rook takes d1, bishop takes d1, knight takes c1, bishop takes c1. So you can end it up in this position also. So here if you analyze, there is not much advantage for white. This is almost equal position. So you can study this endgame also. So let's go back to the rook f d1. Sorry, rook takes d1. So after that black played rook f d8. Okay, knight goes to d5. Bishop takes d5, pawn takes d5. Now knight goes to d7. Bishop f4 attacking the c7 pawn. Bishop d6, bishop takes d6, pawn takes d6. Now rook a c1, so that you can go to c7 square. So knight comes to f6, rook goes to c7 attacking the b7 pawn. So rook comes to b1 protecting that. Bishop f3, now b6. So instead of b6 here you can play rook d c8. So this is also good for black comparing to this b6 move. Okay, b4 from Magnus, b takes a5, b takes a5. Now rook b5 attacking the a5 pawn. So rook a1, knight takes d5, bishop takes d5, rook takes d5. Now rook goes to a7 attacking the a6 pawn. Now g6, h3 from white, rook b8, rook takes a6, king g7, rook c6, rook b2, now a6, rook comes to d2, now a7, rook takes f2, now rook comes to c2, rook b takes c2, now a8 queen, h5 from black, queen e4, so rook c e2, queen d4 check, rook f6, rook comes to f1, now rook e5, rook takes f6, king takes f6, queen takes d6. So after queen takes d6, it's rook e6. So after rook e6, queen goes to f8. Okay, now rook e5, king comes to f2. Now rook f5, king goes to e3, again rook e5, king goes to d4. Now rook e2 attacking the g2 pawn. So g4, h takes g4, h takes g4. Now rook g2, but now you can get a check. Queen h8, king goes to e7. Now queen comes to h3. So rook d2 check, king goes to e5, again rook e2 check, king goes to f4. Now after that rook e6, king goes to g5, rook e5, king goes to h6. Now g5, after g5 queen goes to g7. Now rook e6. Now queen a3 check. So this is almost over. Queen goes to king goes to e8. So queen a8 check. So king comes to e7. Now queen b7 check. So after that you can take the f7 pawn and it would be over for black. I just want to show you one more thing. Just a second. Let's go to rook c6. No, not here. Rook takes a6. So after rook takes a6, black played king g7. So here instead of king g7, you can come to rook b2. So rook comes to c6, again rook comes to d2. Now a6. Rook takes f2. Now if you play rook c2, in that case rook takes c2. Now a7, you take the pawn at g2. Now king goes to suppose h1. Now you can, what you can do, you can play again rook h2. So king comes to g1, again rook g2, king comes to f1. Now check. So king takes g2, now rook takes a1, and if you get a queen here, then rook takes a8. So this king's g7 move, black lost one move, right? So instead of king g7, Levon could have played rook b2 straight away. So in that case, it would have been a draw. So okay, uh, like he must be in a time pressure, so he missed that move. Okay, so yeah, so I'll prepare some more videos in English opening, so I'll upload it soon. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please share it and please press the like button, and also please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that once I upload a new video you directly get the notification. Okay, so till then, all the best and see ya.